Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview SummerWave's 15-foot by 42-inch active frame above-ground pool. This above-ground pool comes with a filtration system with built-in skimmer that keeps your pool clean and sparkling. Both durable and easy to assemble, it is built from strong metal frames with liners made with durable polyester mesh, providing hours of fun season after season. Just snap the pools together, fill it up with water, and the entire family will enjoy taking a dip in this pool of unbeatable value. Product benefits: made with durable polyester mesh and puncture-resistant materials. Includes SFX1000 SkimmerPlus Filter Pump 110 to 120 volt that cleans your pool with skimmer and filter dual functions. Includes SureStep Ladder, ground fault circuit interrupter plug, pool cover, ground cloth, Type-C filter cartridge, and repair patch. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.